Hi, it's Nick Kaiser, Mustache Approved Remodeling. I am back out here in Gilbert at our friend Wendy's and Jerry's house. I wanted to show you guys, we are finishing up this project. We're doing a final walk. Now this, you've seen some of the videos. You can see we did a walk-in shower. This was a tub to shower conversion. There was a half wall, little pony wall in between a tub and the shower over here. We had some blinds. We got rid of the blinds, and customers still wanted some privacy, so they put this on their window, which is like a cover. A film you can put on there. So we did do a nice dedicated drying area right here. So when you're getting out of the shower, you can sit down and dry off. There is a separate platform where you step up to get in, and then you step down into the shower pan. So just swinging the corner. One of the nice features here, we built this pony wall here, and we added this switch, which is the function for the can lights here. So that is a real nice feature because it's right there, easy access. You can crank it on if you want. Just reach your hand around the corner, turn it on, or when you're getting in the shower. Now this is a pretty typical setup for us. We have our shower valve here, which fires up this shower head right here. And then we also have a second option here, which is a separate valve, which controls this slide bar. So you can adjust this to the height you want. You can lower it if you're washing the dogs or something. And so you can pop it back in the cradle. Also, we have multiple niches in this. We have this long, tall niche that is on this pony wall. And we also added a foot niche for leg shaving right there on that exterior wall. Also, we have a tall niche with a glass shelf here, which is basically a 2-in-1. We make them 13 inches a piece, so it's 26 inches tall. So you get a nice tall niche there for all your bottles, the tall ones. If you have extra tall bottles, we need to know so that we can check them out and put a tape measure on it, make sure it's going to be good, because we can always make those a little taller if we want to. Now, another thing that we do a lot of times, so we were stuck with this doorway, is how wide we could make this shower. But if you look at this wall where we placed this glass, you can see instead of putting it in the middle, we slid it out, which it creates a ledge like we have here where you can set items, but also it makes, for your upper body, it makes this whole space a lot wider. You gain about 2-3 inches there, which is nice. It doesn't see 2 inches doesn't seem like much, but when you add it up, it really does make a difference, making it feel a little more spacious. So on the ground, we did a flat pebble stone, and that turned out beautiful as well. So let me show you from this angle over here. Yeah, so all in all, really happy. You can see these clip system and how much of a difference this makes with making everything so flat. So the customers in the process of, they're taking care of their own vanity, their own painting, and they're changing out all this area right here. They're also doing their floors as well. So I will have them send me a picture when they're done so I can add it to the mix, and we can get the full bathroom, what it's going to look like once it's done. But this was a major part knocked off the list for them to get this shower knocked out. So anyway, I will put a playlist together on YouTube for this whole series. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching and following along, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.